Hello, David here, and the project for today is to provide an update on my trunk leak repair. If you remember, in 2018 I did a video on the trunk leak repair on a 98 Ford Contour. I found out that the rear spoiler was leaking. I went to the automotive paint store and they suggested I use some of this. This is a 3M heavy duty drip check sealer. They said it's permanent, it's going to last forever. Well, it only lasted 3 years. Let's take a look at this. I don't know if you can see the movement in there, but there's definitely movement in there. And over the past few months, I have been noticing a musty smell in the trunk. So I didn't know where the water was coming from, but I knew water was getting in there, and I just happened to examine the mounting points on the spoiler, and I noticed that looseness. So I'm going to have to take that spoiler off and seal it again. I've removed the bolts from the studs as illustrated in my video from 2018, and the outside ends are holding pretty fast. I think the adhesive is holding well there, but it's not holding in the middle. I'm going to see if I could slip in a ribbon adhesive around the middle. Maybe that'll hold. What do you think, Freddie?
I don't know.
Freddie doesn't know. I'm leery of using that 3M adhesive that I used last time. I think I might try to slip in some of this 3M ribbon sealer. It's a 1/4 inch round bead. It was successful on that Nissan Sentra that I repaired the taillights on many years ago. But I'm just going to have to clean around here before I slip this in. Okay, enough with the drama. I have 2 pieces of wood wedged under the spoiler to hold it up while I clean it. This is going to be a chipmunk when I run it at fast speed. This ribbon adhesive just wants to stick to everything. Sticking to the paint, sticking to my fingers. You know something? I think I should put another bead along the front just to make sure that bead of sealer doesn't go down the hole where the wire comes out. What do you think, Freddie?
Yep.
Freddie says yep. I think that'd be a good idea. Smooth it down over there. Let's take the wood out. You want to take the wood out? I'll hold
Yeah.
up. Okay, pull. Let's press it down. Oh yeah. Is that gonna work?
Yep.
Would you please get that out of the shop? Thank you. Our next step is to put the 14mm nuts back in. Do the center one first. And if I happen to find out that the end ones are leaking, I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to break the bond, just lift up on it with the spoiler in place, and then put some of that ribbon sealer down. Kind of like that ribbon sealer. I might have to come by in a few days and tighten it a little more in case that ribbon sealer oozes out in the heat. I don't think I'm going to put pop rivets in here anymore. I'm just going to let them swing like that on their own. Just in case I have to come back here again to gain access. Swing that in place, and don't forget that wire connector. Okay, here's that wire connector. Did I turn it around the wrong way? Yeah, the rounded end is at the top, the flat end is at the bottom. Did I twist it the wrong way? Here we go. Click, and it's in. Okay, move the camera back. Stand over here. I'm going to close the trunk. Make sure these pads are in place so I can close the trunk. There we go. Hopefully no more leaks. Let's test it and see if it's watertight. Okay, Freddy's outside with the hose.
What?
Okay, that concludes the water test. It's dry. And I noticed the two outer connecting plates are outside of the trunk lid gasket, if you can see there. So if those are leaking, those wouldn't even come inside the trunk, so it could only come from this center mounting nut over there. And that's dry, it's holding water. Thanks for filming, Freddy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more great videos from David GPO. Cut.